Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm show you Windows 11 22H2 version for release preview channel. Microsoft made a new version to Windows 11. So far we have only had dev channel updates for Windows 11 22H2. But now you can install Windows 11 22H2 version for the release preview channel. In this version we have Groups on Start menu, New Snap layouts, New redesigned Task Manager, Drag and drop to taskbar, also new icons, new features and lots of bug fixes. I made a video before about Windows 11 22H2 new features. You can watch it on this link. Download and install this new version and experience new Windows 11. Thanks for watching. See you later.